guys! Welcome back to a new vlog! Okay, today's vlog is going to be another, you guessed it my friends, another mukbang. So today's video is going to be all about chocolate. So titikman ko para sa inyo itong M&M's chocolate bars. Kung masarap nga ba siya, worth it nga ba siya, magkano siya, and all the details. So if you want to know more, keep on watching. And of course, if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alice. I make mukbangs and other lifestyle-related videos. So if you are new to this channel at gusto nyo pa makapanood ng iba pang videos na i-upload ko, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so y'all be informed of new videos that your girl uploads. Okay, so let's begin. Okay guys, so totoo lang, na-curious lang talaga ako dito sa chocolates na to kasi wala, nakikita ko siya palagi sa grocery, so I got curious, so that's why I bought it. Wala na talagang ibang main reason, kundi na-curious lang ako. And these are actually M&M's, so it comes in 3 flavors. It comes in crispy, milk chocolate, and then hazelnut. So, kung nagtataka kayo, bakit magkakaiba yung size? Kasi po, naubusan na po nung malaki nitong dalawa. So, isa lang yung nabili kong malaki. Ito po yung hazelnut, and then these are, you know, it comes in this size. Ito ay, ilang, ano ba to? Gano'n ba ito kalaki? Hindi ko alam gano'n kalaki ganito eh. Hindi ko mahanap. Girl, hindi ko mahanap siya, girl. Pero this is what it looks like. Yung malaking version. I don't know how, 25 grams serving? No, this is not 25 grams. Ayun, sa taas, tanga. 155 grams. And then these two are the, dito man eh, 46 grams. So, basically, parang kalahati, or 1/4, sort of, nung mas malaking bar. So, magkano ba to? Itong mga maliliit, sa Mercury Drug, this is about 39 pesos. But, pag bumili kayo sa 7-Eleven, this is only 35 pesos each. I did my research on this. Pero sa ibang grocery, I'm not sure kung magkano. Then, sa malaki, ito, this is 129 pesos. So, kung may balak kayong manligaw at bibili kayong chocolates, tsakin nyo yung malaki, ha? Para hindi naman lugi yung mga taste buds naming babae. Okay, so syempre titikman ko na to. Hindi na ako magbibigay ng specifics kasi this is chocolate, okay? Alam naman natin na if you eat too much chocolate, you gain weight. So, wag na nating i-specify yung mga ingredients or whatever. I will put in the description box kung merong allergens dito, like nuts, nuts, or other things like soy. Kasi may mga taong allergic sa ganun. Lalagay ko na lang sa baba. Basahin nyo na lang doon. Saan tayo sisimula? Siyempre, sa original. Siyempre, kailangan may pagbabasihan tayo kasi ako lumaki talaga ako kumakain akong M&M's, Skittles, medyo mga Americanized yung kinakain ko. Mga stateside. Mga important. So, ito ang itsura niya. Bubuksan ko siya. Ay, nabali. Kasi kanina ko pa ito pinaglalaroan, diba? So, ito ang itsura niya. Buksan ko na lang. At medyo tunaw na siya. Ayan siya, oh. So, hindi siya maganda. Sa totoo lang. Kasi tunaw na siya. And then, merong mga piraso ng M&M sa loob. Kunin ko lang yung mas maliit. Kasi for sure, may pagbibigyan ako nito mamaya. Ang pangalan ay Mirna. Yung nanay ko. Mahilig din sa chocolates yun. Pero hindi siya kasing hilig ng most women. Mahilig siya once in a while. So, yan. Ito siya. So, mapapansin nyo, may nagpipick na parang blue, yellow, red. M&M's po yun. So, tikman na natin. Ito sa sarap. Literal. Ang sarap. Okay, namatay na akong camera. Okay, so we're gonna go back to this. So basically, it's Hershey's chocolate with milk chocolate M&M's. Medyo pinatigas ko na to, ha. Ang hirap. Pansin nyo, naubos na ng nanay ko. Talaga nagtira na lang siya para sa akin. Yeah. The thing with this, kasi ibang tao, sobrang tamis na nito. Are you done? Para sa akin, this cat is out to get me. To be honest, this one is a bit too sweet for me. Kasi nga, I love chocolates, I love sweets. It's just that, siguro because of my age and because I like darker chocolate more. Ito, medyo nasosobra na ako ng tamis. Pero okay lang. Alam mo yan. I was actually expecting na marami talaga siya. Pero napansin ko, kalat-kalat. Hindi siya parang, alam niyo yung crunch na chocolate bar? I'll put a picture right here. Paborito ng nanay ko yun. Why? Because it has texture. This one does have texture because of the M&M's. Pero panandalian lang. Parang ganun lang. It's not like crunch na talagang there's, you know, that sound. Medyo mahilig ako sa ASMR. Kaya gusto ko yung mga pagkain na medyo may tunog. And if you're hearing like cat meowing, nagkakagulo yung mga kuting sa ilalim ng table ko kasi papakain na sila ng nanay nila. It kinda looks weird though. Now we're gonna go to the second flavor, which is this one. The crispy one. So basically this has M&M's minis in smooth milk chocolate with crispy pieces. I don't know what that is. Siyempre bubuksan natin ang buo kasi consume immediately yung ganito eh. Sana naman perfecto. This one does look much better than the first bar. Tapos, ayan siya. Mas marami, oh. Wala tayong dalawa. Ang gusto ko din dito, pansin ko, you can easily, like, ayan, oh, nabibreak apart siya. Sobrang dali. Yun nga na may tendency masira din yung M&M sa loob. Which is okay. This has more texture. Iba yung tamis nito compared sa milk chocolate na may, alam mo yun? Shh! Quiet, kitty. Ayan o, ito siya. Medyo textured sa likod. Parang ganito yung texture ng crunch chocolate. This one I do like. The crispies. The blue one. Although pareho lang naman silang milk chocolate ni nung una. Maybe because of the crispies, it has reduced the sweetness a little bit. Which I actually like. I actually like this one more than the first one, which is weird because yung original, yung milk chocolate lang, I actually like that. This one, I like this more. I like this more, to be honest. Okay, so this is hazelnut. I believe this is the first time. First time ako nakita ng M&M's may hazelnut. I don't know. Kasi ang alam ko lang na M&M's is like the chocolate, the peanut butter. Nakalimutan ko yung isa. Tatlo lang eh. Tatlong version lang yung alam ko. So, I think this is only available. Yung hazelnut, available lang to sa sa bar. Hindi ko na ito tatanggalan na. Ayan o. Mas malaki yung part na merong M&M's character. And the hazelnut is at the back. Hindi siya nasa loob ng M&M's. I don't wanna break this whole... I already did. This tastes like Nutella. I'm sorry. It tastes like Nutella. Gusto ko siya. Alam mo yun, kasi Nutella is chocolate with hazelnut, and this has hazelnut. And ang gusto ko kasi yung hazelnut, maliliit yung chop niya. So, malalasama talaga yung hazelnut. Ang sarap. Okay. The hazelnut in this chocolate bar, actually brings not just a different texture, but also a different flavor to the chocolate. Masarap siya. It's not that sweet compared to the first two. I would definitely say this is the one I will repurchase out of everything here. So, what do I think about the M&M's chocolate bars? Is it good? Is it not? Actually, it's 50-50. Okay? I do like it, to be honest. I love the chocolate bar. Parang ito na lang ulit yung chocolate bar na nagustuhan ko after a long time. But it's a hit and miss. Para sa akin, yung milk chocolate, yung brown one, was too much. The blue one is okay. This one is the best. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. Baka palagi akong bibili nito. Pero, syempre, health is wealth. Hindi ako bibili masyado. Ito yung mga tipong once in a while ko lang kakainin. Once in a while lang akong bibili. Kasi chocolates are meant to be a treat. Okay? Baka sabihin nyo naman na masyado akong magastos, masyado akong magarbo. Ito yung mga tipong tsokolating once a month lang akong bibili. Is it worth the price and the size and the taste? It's really worth everything, okay? The only thing I do not like is the brown one, the milk chocolate one. Yun na hindi ko nagustuhan. But the other two, the blue one and this one, the hazelnut, kasi yung isa, yung blue, binigay ko na kay mama. At inubos na niya yung milk chocolate, kaya wala akong pangkita sa inyo. What do I think about those? Like, the one with Crispies is actually really good. This one's great. Panghuli ko talaga yung milk chocolate. Alam mo yan? Kasi yung texture, yung lasa, and this one brings a whole new level of taste because of the hazelnut. So, I would definitely suggest you try it out for yourself. You can buy this at any grocery and convenience store. It's available. I do hope that they would produce like a peanut butter version of this. I don't know if there's a peanut butter. If there is, I will let you guys know. Masarap siya. So, totoo lang, ito yung mga tipong I will enjoy this until its last piece. Dahil sobrang sarap. And if anyone asks, this is my favorite flavor, hazelnut. I really do love a lot of hazelnut flavored stuff. I don't know. Medyo nasanay kasi ako sa flavor ng hazelnut. But overall, I think it's a great thing to try or to eat with your friends and family. Huwag po masyadong mag-indulge mag-isa. Share this with your friends and family. Lalo na yung malaki, you share this. Okay, you share this. So, that's basically it for today's video, you guys. What do you think about this chocolate bar review? This is the first time I've done this. And if you have any suggestions, go to the comment section below. Don't hesitate to comment what do you want to see in this channel and what do you want me to try next. And of course, don't forget to follow me on my social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And of course, I do have to go now, guys. Thank you so much sa panonood. And I hope that we enjoy more food in the future. So, I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Bye! Mwah.